Dear all, I am glad to present this research. I am Chandrika Kuladeva. I am a lecturer in National College of Education. I attached to Center for Professional Development, Kurnagal. I like to discuss about my research. Effective participation in module programs related to teacher efficiency power in the zonal education of Kurnagal. Then, first, I like to introduction in my research. What is the background? There are four grades in the teacher service in Sri Lanka. The teachers have efficiency bars to get their promotion. The Ministry of Education has introduced a specific number of modules for each grade. All the teachers they have to complete 20 modules to get their promotions. Then there are four grades. Grade 3 1 teachers they have to complete 7 modules, and grade 2 2 teachers they have to complete another 7 modules, and grade 2 1 teachers also complete another 6 modules to get another promotion. But this is the very big problem to trainers, especially. Then I read some relevant literatures like this teacher service minute, institutional code, some relevant circulars, and my reflective journal. I continuously maintain the reflective journal. Then it is also useful this problem. Then I could make like this foundation for my research. I introduced the problem because of especially grade 3 1 teachers they have to complete their modules within first 3 years. That is the very challenge for them. As a trainer, I also find many options for that. And last year, on December in 2019, I selected 65 grade 3 1 teachers because of 65 teachers they have already they completed their first 3 years. Then they have to complete 7 modules. In beginning in this year, I held 4 modules in my center, but I introduced grade 3 1 teachers. They have many problems. Therefore, when I held the training programs in my center, their participation were very less. Then I introduced their problems like this and examples. Newcomers to teaching profession. They are newcomers to marriage life. Some teachers live in a distance area after marriage. Some teachers have infants and conducting training programs on weekends because of the Minister of Education. They advised us to continue our training programs every weekend. Therefore, their participation were very less. Then only 35 teachers participated the center training programs. However, especially under COVID-19 situation, that is the very big problem, very big challenge for all the people. Then, under two objectives, I implemented this research. One of them, investigate teacher participation in model programs, exploring appropriate methods for teachers to actively participate in model programs. Then, after I implemented this research, I have used this methodology. This is an excellent research. I selected 65 teachers, 3 grade 3 1 teachers as a sample, and I have used 3 data collection methods for this research: teacher registration list, teacher database, teacher applications. Then, after I interventioned my research, first of all, according to grade 3 1 teachers' applications, I collected their WhatsApp numbers. Then I created the WhatsApp group, include all the 65 teachers. Then first I sent some messages for them, and I'm the only role in my center as a trainer. Then I made some presentations about relevant modules and arrange activities to do the teachers and arrange the 2 Zoom lectures for the target group. Because of that, 1.5 hour Zoom lectures I held per week, and I discussed with them how to study the notes and how to continue our training programs by online. Then I advised them and arrange notes to the every subtopics and give the teachers by WhatsApp group for study them. And within 2 weeks, I gave them to study the notes and everything. Then after 2 weeks, I advised them to make separate groups with 5 members. Then I sent some assessment, separate assessment for each group. Example, in the classroom management module, I sent make a lesson plan relevant each group and with activities. Then I sent like this that assessments separately each group. Then one of group member completed that assessment and brought to the teacher center, and I corrected them and I gave marks, and I have already completed their mark sheet. And after within 3 weeks, I could complete one module, and after 3 months, I already completed their modules programs. Then I feeling very happy also as a trainer. Then I send like this notes for them, and I have used like this data analysis method. My topic is effective participation of the teacher training programs. Then I have used quantitative method for this research. And what are the results of my research? Remaining 3 modules were conducted online. In both cases, only 65 teachers were invited. The following table represents the percentages. You can see the table. Compare the both cases. I use as a sample same teachers, 65 grade 3 1 teachers, and you can see the center programs their participation very less more than online programs. Then you can see the percentage. Online percentage was very high more than in the center programs. Then I think, especially for adult, especially grade 3 1 teachers, they have technology like also. Then I think online programs is very useful for them because of I like to tell like this matter because of face-to-face training programs is very better, but under COVID-19 situation we haven't any options. Then I think online programs is very success for the adults. Then I can give like these conclusions. Online education is suitable for adults. If we want to continue works, can find many options, save time and cost, safety and develop in self-study. Then I can give like these recommendations. Online system is suitable in adults education if minimizing potential data and signal problems. Although the lectures are conducted online, the evaluation methodology is a single activity. Doing so is more practical and valid. Thank you very much.